Hey everyone, today we're delving into scalping. Let's go. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make money off of binary options by using a simple scalping strategy. This strategy is really popular among lots of traders, yet it's really simple to understand and apply. If you really want to start making money today off of trading, watch this video carefully and until the very end. The link to the broker I traded is in the description below this video. Enjoy. So, first things first, let's set up our chart. Go into this tab right here. You're gonna want to select the candle chart type and the 15-second time frame. So let's do that real quick. And what's the gist of our strategy? Our strategy is based on trading at price levels. However, it's not just your classic trade based on support and resistance levels. We only want to open trades when we see a nice momentum candles. Momentum candles are different from other kinds because they either have a large body or a large shadow. The point is that these momentum candles provide us with amazing entry points. For instance, look at this candle right here and see where we could have entered. That's a nice entry point, isn't it? Right when we see a candle like this, levels at a certain significant area, we want to place a trade assuming a pullback from that level. Since we are trading within the 15-second time frame, there will be many instances like this, as scalping is known for allowing traders to open many trades in a small time frame. And today we're going to use 30 seconds as our expiry time. Now let's move on to the trading session itself and see it all in practice. So I'm placing a trade downwards for 30 seconds. In this case, I can see the price approaching the resistance level. Moreover, as it approaches this level, I can note nice momentum candles with large shadows and bodies. This is a good confirmation of my entry points, essentially. And by the way, while I was explaining all this, our trade closed in a profit. Look at the incredible motion we were able to capture. Let's carry on, guys. I found another entry case, placing a 30-second downward trade. So, in this situation, I can see the price approaching the resistance level. We saw a good momentum candle as we approached this level, and also this level had a lot of reactions, which confirms its strength as well as my entry point. Right now we're witnessing a perfect move and my trade is closing in a profit. Moving on. So I'm placing a downward trade for 30 seconds. In this case, I can see... What can I see? I can see the price approaching the resistance level. Moreover, this approach was accompanied by a very impulsive candle, which is yet another confirmation of my entry point. Our trade closed in a profit. We captured a really nice motion. So guys, I'm placing a downward trade for 30 seconds. In this case, we have seen the price approaching the resistance level. The price has reacted to this level multiple times before, which confirms the strength of this level. And during that level approach, we can witness these nice impulsive candles. Look at the large body of this one and look at the shadows of these candles. We've just had a perfect downward motion and now we're taking another upside course. So I'm opening a 30-second upward trade. In this case, we can see the price approaching the support level. There was a lot of reactions to this level, and also as the chart approached this level, we could see huge momentum candles as well as these other candles with big shadows. We have once again managed to capture a solid motion. Let's take a look at other potential cases. So a downward trade this time. In this situation, we saw the price approaching the resistance level. This approach was accompanied by huge impulsive candles with big shadows. This is a confirmation of my entry point, essentially. And there was also a large number of reactions to this level. And look at this move right here, guys. Just look. And we have once again recorded a solid profit. I'm opening a 30-second upward trade. In this case, I can see the price approaching the support level. This approach was accompanied by very impulsive candles. Look at the body of the candle, look at its shadow, and also from this level, there were a lot of pullbacks, which is a confirmation of my entry point. And look at the great move that's happening right now as we speak. Just look. The market situation is quite interesting. Many experts talk about potential changes. If you want to be aware of all the news and get advice on your next possible steps, subscribe to my Telegram channel. I regularly share relevant info and forecasts. The link is waiting for you in the description. I guess it's time to sum things up. Thanks to such a simple strategy, we were able to increase our account balance 4 times. That's a truly impressive result, guys. By the way, today I'm hosting a free trading session on my Telegram channel where each one of you guys can copy my trades and make money with me. So if you really want to make profits, the link to my Telegram channel is in the description below this video. Now let's move on to withdrawing our profits. In order to proceed with our withdrawal, we're clicking on Finance, then Withdrawal, and then we want to enter the withdrawal amount, which is $300 for me now. Now we're entering the address of our wallet, and then the verification code. Clicking on Next. Our withdrawal request has been successfully submitted. That's it for today, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Wishing you huge profits. Bye-bye.